Morning guys, I wanted to debunk another AI myth that it cannot solve crossword puzzles. In this post someone mentioned on LinkedIn that both Claude and OpenAI could not solve a crossword puzzle because it's not capable of guessing and keeping track of clues. So I took this Australia crossword puzzle. You'll see it's got a word bank there. I did not include the word bank, I only included the clues in the screenshot. I then just pasted that into Codex using the latest ChatGPT 5.5 extra high. I told that I needed to solve that crossword puzzle. Someone is claiming that AI is unable of doing this, and I just said prove them wrong. Think carefully about the responses and let's see how it goes. And you can see the time running there at the top. Currently it's about 1 minute and 20 seconds. As I said, I'm using that extra high 5.5 latest model, and then I let it go for a little bit, and once it was done, 2 minutes 27 seconds, reasonably quick, we can see that it's come out with some responses there. And then let's compare that to the word bank that we expected to see. So first one, we could see Sydney, and if we look for that in the word bank, I didn't fill them all out, I just checked if the words match. I guess if they do, then we know it's correct. So we can see we've got Sydney there. And if we look at the next one, we've got accent, and then we've got coral bleaching, then we've got marsupial, there it is, and then we've got New Zealand as the next one, going down, there it is, and then we've got Oceania, so there we go, Australia, number 7 down, there we go, then we've got tourism, there we go, and if we look across, Great Barrier Reef, then we can see it there in the word bank. That's correct, Great Barrier Reef. Then we've got Outback. There it is, Outback over there. Then we've got Spider. There you go. Then we've got Maori. There we go. Then we've got global warming. There we go, global warming. Then we've got indigenous. This was an interesting one because it was supposed to be Aboriginal, but I'll talk about that in a minute. And then we've got Pacific Ocean, the last one, Pacific Ocean. Now, indigenous it got wrong. It was supposed to be Aboriginal, and it wrote indigenous. Interestingly, it's the same amount of letters, alphabetic letters, and they actually do align. So indigenous actually does fit there, but this just proves that it didn't go and find the image online and just copy the words. It actually did solve it, coming up with an alternative fitting matching word there. So there you go, debunked.